Okay, I'm going to show you how to take apart one of these inside units. Now, by manufacturer, they'll be different. So this is how a Senville 9000 BTU unit comes apart. But like I say, yours will be somewhat similar if it isn't the same brand, okay? We've got Chevy here to help. He's going to supervise. First thing I did was I went in here and I turned off the heat pump breaker right here. Double pole breaker. Okay, that's off. So usually they just have a cover on the front that lifts up and it just sits up there on some little tabs like that. And then you've got your filters. On this one, they just pull out like that. Okay, so I lifted up the cover here and you can see there's some electronics up inside of there. And there's a wire that goes over and it goes down underneath this little cover here. Okay, and there's this little connection down inside and I've just taken the connection apart. And I'm going to feed that wire up out of there like that. And now this cover here, just pull in on a little bit and it comes right off. There's some screws along the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then down inside of here, you can just see, if you move that gently, there's a little tab there. You pop that up and there's a screw underneath it right here. And the same thing over here. Pop that up and there's a Phillips head screw in here. Okay, with all those screws out, there's just some tabs at the top that pop up. It's a matter of popping those up. There's one there, okay. And there like that. And then the whole case comes off. Okay, so for this louver on the front that moves up and down, it's controlled by a little motor on the side here. So what I like to do is just loosen the 2 screws like that. Pull the motor back, and then this will just pop out like that. Sits on little tabs. Okay, and then the next thing is there's a little metal grate here, and then these little manual louvers, okay? On this one, it's got manual louvers that just go back and forth. Okay, so the metal grate, you just push it back. There's little clips here, and then it just pulls straight out. And then these plastic louvers are just held in there with these little snaps. Okay, that little metal grate just clips in there, so you just pop out the metal grate all along. Okay, and that little grate just pops off, okay? These are just manual louvers, okay? And they just pop off. Just like that, and like that, and like that, okay? Just be careful, it's only plastic. There it is. All right. And that's what it looks like out. I've already taken the cover off this one and I got it ready to spray the cleaning foam on it. What I did was I just took a piece of 6mm poly and I put duct tape around there because the coils don't go right to the back of the unit. So I just taped it there, ran it over the top, taped it down the other side, see that? And then I took a screwdriver and just gently poked the plastic up underneath, so any of the foam or the spray that we put on it after, like I'm going to spray a mist of water on there after to rinse it off. And that's just going to run down the plastic. And I got a bucket down here. So this one's an air conditioner, coil, foaming cleaner. Basically just the precautions there. Don't get it on your skin or in your eyes. Shouldn't breathe it too much. So I've got the windows open there. So we can see the dirt on those fan blades. Being careful not to spray the electrical end of it. So I've had to use the brush on the squirrel cage pan a bit more than just letting the foam do the work, because there was some of it lingering, even though I've treated it twice. So I've been holding the squirrel cage with one hand and digging in with a small brush here. And I even tried a few Q-tips in there to try and get some of it off. You hear it going down the drain. Proves the drain's working. That tube that goes outside. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to spray a little bit more underneath, and we'll take a look at it, and I think that's it. Okay, I got 99.9% of the dirt out of that squirrel cage fan. A few little spots I've gone in with a Q-tip, but mostly it's clean. That's good. I'm happy with that. Okay, it's clean. Now, this took a couple of hours. So, you know, if you're going to do this yourself, you got to put aside at least a couple of hours, maybe 3, to do these right. You know, I mean, you could probably do them faster, but you got to wait in between, you know, the foam and stuff like that, and you got to rinse it well and clean it. So now that's the content of the bucket. Mind you, there's a lot of water went down the drain, right? The equipment drain that goes outside. So, but that's the color of the water that came out of it. So it needed a clean for sure. And I'm just going to wipe off those covers and clean those filters, and we're going to put that back together. I sprayed these with foam, and now just rinsing them off. Okay, so I'm going to put these little fixed louvers in there and this screen. Got them rinsed off. So on this Senville one, one thing I noted when I took them out is that this little bump here faces out. See, there's a concave and a convex. So the convex part sticks out. They go like that. Okay. Okay, you see these little louvers? They just snap in. There's some clips here, and see that one's not in properly yet. Let me see here. This goes, these little feet, the little feet go inside, and then that one goes there, that one there, there's one there, and there's one in the middle it snaps into right now. Hold it, there it is. Okay. Okay. And that's how that is. So this little grate just goes up against some stops all along the back in there. And then the clips just pop over those little plastic tabs right here. So they sit in from the back. Okay, so I took the filters outside and rinsed them off. And they're still a little damp, but that's okay. And I'm putting those in. Let's see here. Just like that. Let's see here. Just a little bit of air blowing on them when it first starts up. It'll dry those in no time. Now, okay. And there we are. Okay, And we've got the controls back on the inside of the cover. All our screws are in place. Just wipe off here. Let's towel dry those a bit. Yeah, that's good. That's it. Okay, that's good. So we're going to shut that down. And let's turn on the power and try it. Okay, so I got it in cooling mode. Let's see here. Cooling mode. Set for 19 Celsius. There it's blowing. I just feel a little wet mist coming out there of the fan. And there it is. Anyway, thanks for watching. Comments down below, and we'll see you again here very soon on Everyday Projects. Bye for now.